Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Muhammad, and in this lecture we'll be learning how you can basically place the uh, beds, the sofas and tables in the property to make your plan more realistic, more appealing to the clients, to the contractors, and to get more projects. So let's get started. So basically, in order for you to load any family or any um, bed or something like that, you have to select this one. Previously, we were selecting in order to bring a family. Let me first of all tell you what a family is. A family is basically pre-built structures. Like for example, in case of door, you can see that the door is already been created. Like the left the right hand side door, which is 3D door, you can see in this diagram. Similarly, the windows, these are also called as families because these are already pre-built. And in order for other features to be imported, you have to select the components, and that will list all of the features available. So let's load some of the families. I'll go back and and now I'm here. So let's load first of all some furniture or some beds. I I'm guessing it's, yeah, and some furniture. Click on bed, and you see that we have our different beds available. Totally depends on you, whatever you want to select, but the bed box is the standard one. I click on the bed box, and you see that it's not coming on the position, so I press spacebar twice, and there we have it. There we have our beds placed in the room. Now notice that it's interacting with the text, so I'll put the text below so to make it more visible to the users, and this one as well. And yeah, there you have it. Both the beds are now installed in the property. It's as per the user where do they want to place the beds and where they want to live. If they want to place it right below the window, it's totally up to them. It's just that it's showcasing the people that there is plenty of room available. You don't have to be worried that it will have less space or you won't be able to comfortably fit into the room. So yeah, you can change the dimensions as well. Yeah, over here we have queen size bed, and yeah, basically that's being fitted. And yeah, we have a drawing room, so let's place some sofas and other features as well. So basically I have to click on component, click on load, and let's bring some sofas in. So seating, click on seating, and uh, you can bring chair corbu, or I believe there might be sofa as well. Yeah, here it is. This one is good. So for corbu, this is very good family of Revit. I click on open, and there we have it. There we have our drawing room. So I press two sofas. I'm just pressing the space bar, and I have just successfully placed the drawing the sofas in the drawing room. And let's load the tables as well. So I click on component, upload family, and let's bring some tables in. So I go back and I click on tables, and there we have some desks, some table coffee, so, or maybe dining round. I select this one. For drawing rooms it's very common, and I press enter. Similarly for study room, let's add some features as well. I click on component, I click load, and I bring a study table. So this desk executive or desk maybe desk executive or a simple desk would be great, but let's run desk executive. and place it right on this section. Move the study to somewhere else so that the drawing looks neat and tidy. And let's bring some chair. Go back and go to settings, and there we have a lot of chairs. So let's bring this one open. Press enter and spacebar, and there we have it. So you see that now it's taking some pretty decent, we can say, appeal. So I'll select this and I'll add the sofa over here as well. I'll copy it, CO, and I'll move this on this section as well to fulfill it. And sorry, now we are in the property. I double click on it. You have to just get out of it as quickly as possible. You do not have to mess with families. It's pretty difficult to modify the families in the beginning because it's a bit complex for beginners. So yeah, so notice how I'm adjusting the space as per my requirements. You see now the sofa has been properly fitted in to the property. And let's add a table, and then we're done with this section. So let's go to component and load in a table that will cover the spaces for us. We have our tables over here, and it's basically a dining table. So let's bring a dining table. You can bring the round one, or maybe just a regular table. That would be, yeah, this ellipse one is more kind of natural feel. And yeah, there we have it. It's too distant, but yeah, there we go. There is our lawn section properly done. And in the last we have our kitchen. So let's add a dining table where people can eat, and it just represents that where it is, yeah, dining with chairs. So click on this one, and yeah, yeah, you can select 84 diameters to show that a lot of people are in this property. And there we go. And yeah, there we have our kitchen, there we have our lounge, and each and every section is now being created properly. You see that how much different it makes when we had a simple floor plan, and now we have some of the features installed in this Revit. You see, we have our kitchen, we have our lounge, washroom. Oh yeah, we left the washroom. That's great. Yeah, I've noticed that. So let's bring some features for toilets as well. I'll click on board, and we'll go, we'll go back, and let's bring some toilet features as well. Sorry. Where is it? Maybe it's in plumbing. No, I think it's in special equipments. Probably, yeah. Toilet room facilities. Maybe we have one over here. I don't know where it is. Let's go back. I think it's over here. So there we go. You have our washroom being set up. Now you see that we have our door in the washroom as well. It's looking very small, but it's not. I have left a lot of space for vanity, for shower and other features as well. Like this section would be dedicated to towel, this section for sink. Let's add a sink to make it more realistic. So family and toilet stall, toilet stall. Where's the sink? Let's go back. Let's go back again. And you just have to search in the families that will help you out. Either it's available or not. Special equipment, nope, it's not special. We just discovered that. System families, probably this one, nope. Encourage, nope. It's frustrating somehow sometimes, but nope, it's not in here. You just have to manually search for it. There's so much things, but it takes time. Lighting, mask, probably mask. Nope, not mask. Mechanical openings. What is openings? Okay, it's something else. So yeah, it's available over here, but we cannot find it at the moment. And what you can do is, if you do not find your desired, you can say family, what you can do is you can go to the internet and you can just type in Revit city, enter, and click on this first link. So basically this is a family website where you can download all of the available families in Revit. So you have to log into this and can search anything in this world. It's a whole world of Revit. So if you want sink, bathroom sink, I'll type sink and I press enter, and it will load all of these things available in his database, and you can download it and use it in our projects. So you can see that it's showing bathroom sinks, it's showing me kitchen sinks, etc. This is the bathroom countertop with sink, and you can use any one of these as per your need. You just have to click it and download it, and then by the same features of loading a component, you load family, and you can bring it from your desktop or computer, wherever you save it. You just double click it and it will load into this software. And there we have it, our professional floor plan created. So yeah, you can change the features, you can add more features, and like sinks, you can add kitchen sinks, etc., and can make your plan look more realistic, more touchy. And it's totally up to you how you can modify the plan. And that was all for this lesson. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next class. Goodbye.